Welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thanks so much for coming back to watch this video if you are already subscribed. If you are not subscribed, I hope you will enjoy this enough to subscribe to my channel. I like to do hauls, craftings, DIYs, and right now I'm trying to get my craft room completely together. So that's what I have for you today, a small organizational video. This is just the way I have decided to store my trims, my extra pieces of ribbons and trims. So hopefully this may help you. Or if you have a way to help me, let me know. Thank you all so much. There's going to be some talking, but most time it's just going to speed through and have some music. So I don't want to bore you with a lengthy video, just sitting here, wrapping trim. Okay, so I'm going to take these dies. These are Chaos Craft. Just trim holders. That's what I put them down. I didn't know what they were. But I don't need to decorate it, because this is just in my craft room. It's going into a plastic shoebox. These are just some cereal boxes that I have, the grandkids. So I try to use a little bit sturdier cardboard, And I just been saving my cardboard up for a little while instead of recycling it. And then this is what I have. I don't think this is going to be enough, but this is all the cardboard I have for now. So at least I can get a good bit of it organized. We'll see. It may do all of it. Wait till you see what I have. And it's a mess. And I also have these from Alina Crafts. But I just really got these for Happy Mail to share when I share. So, all right, no judging. No judging. It's bad. It's a mess. It is a mess. Okay, so this is just a mix of all kinds of stuff. Doilies, just all different types of trims. So it all has to be organized and then put back in the same container. I'm going to dump this all over here, and then I'm not going to try to go by any collars right now. I'm just going to do and then put it back in this container. There's another doily. Put it back in this container, and then I will organize by collars. I was going to use glue dots, and then my friend Carrie told me that she used a stapler, and then I thought better about it, and I thought that I would do that too, because I could always go back in and remove the stapler. Here we go. So I want to try to keep collars together. I'm going to try to do this without stapling first. We'll see if that'll work. This isn't a whole lot, so let's go with a small one for this. Okay, I didn't have to use anything. I think it's going to stay on there. All right, and I'll just put that in the container. And then we'll go here next. Okay, so I did the rest of them off camera because it was so much. I found some different things in here. Found this whole pack of cheesecloth. That'll be fun for some Halloween stuff. And I found all of these doilies. And these appliques. The other doilies. I bought all these off of some YouTube sales. This is so cute. Then these two appliques. Everything is wrapped. Then this is all just little tiny extra pieces that doesn't really, it's not long enough to wrap up. And so what I started doing with that, some of that is just making these little tiny bows. And then I'll put these up. This one's kind of tiny. I'll put these up. Just use them, you know, when I need them, or in Happy Mail, or, you know. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is kind of go by like different colors of things, organize them, so all I have to do is flip through. So here is best to do this. Okay. So I'm not gonna be able to do that way. So I'm gonna have to just do this way. It's too big. These are blues. I'm just gonna do it this way. No, I need to do it this way. Yes, this way. And I'll put the whites in that category as well. Okay, so I ended up definitely putting them in 2 separate containers, and so I'm thrilled with the way they turned out. I definitely can get to things a lot easier now, and can get this used up before I start any new rolls. Definitely add to my collection of trims now that I know what colors I need. I definitely need some yellows, some blues. I have some pinks, but I still think I want to add to my trim collection. I'm definitely going to try to use this up first. I think we'll probably have a bag of scraps. I just put my seam binding in here. I do have some more on the way. Yeah, I think that this will work well to just flip through here and see what I need. All right, well, that concludes this video and this organizing. I hope this helped somebody, and if somebody has, you know, some better tips for me to do this. Can't remember who I seen do theirs this way. It might have been quite a few people, so this is nothing new, but it did help me get organized. Now all I have to do is slap my lids on and then stack these on top of each other, and they are ready to go. And I am going to label here the colors that's in each one of these, and like this has seam binding and things. Oh, so this one, this was like some extra like gem type of stuff. I did staple that on there on the end, and then I just used rubber band on that one because that's elastic like. And this was like the horsehair. It's gonna be great for something for Halloween. But yep, so excited that is finally finished. One thing down, a few more things to go. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you maybe gave you some ideas on how to do some of your trims and extra ribbons. And I hope y'all have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having a great time, you and your family. Thank you all so much. Bye bye.